I will buy any sneaker, no matter the cost, as long as Dylan can correctly name it. You see, the other day, Dylan showed me his sneaker collection. Hey, good morning, Dylan.
It's 4 a.m. and you're outside my house.
But it's not.
Shut up.
It's broad daylight.
You bully.
But
what you mean relax? What you mean relax?
hey, come on, man. I just wanted to see your sneaker collection.
Oh, my sneaker collection?
Yeah.
Come on then, vibes. Why don't you just say so?
Thank you.
I live right here.
Let's start with what you have on foot. So what are these?
Just the Yeezy Slide Onyx colorway. Got some Croc Echoes. Got some New Balance 9060s. We got the San Franciscos.
Now we're getting somewhere.
Huff collaboration. We got the Foam Runners.
Oh.
Sand colorway, as you can see.
So when are we actually gonna see anything good, bro?
Okay, so you think that's not good enough for you? Well, just
got any heat in your? So you've got some more.
Yeah, I've got loads more.
Okay, so your sneaker closet doubles as a janitor's closet too.
You know, you don't need to be seeing that kind of stuff.
I'm expecting some heat now, you promised us.
To start off with, we got the Yeezy 700 as IL. Also got it in another colorway. 350 Zebras. These are a go-to.
Oh, okay, now we're getting somewhere.
You see, the thing is about these, a great man once said, waves don't die. What we saying about these? The Belugas? You like them?
Yeah, solid pair of 350s.
These are the Cloud Stomper 3000s. Move the vacuum cleaner out the way to get these ones.
What else you got in here? Oh, okay, another pair of Foam Runners. And for someone whose brother has a sneaker collection like this, he needs to up his game. So I decided to give him a challenge. It's not bad, but it could definitely use some work. I think your collection needs some variation. So I'm gonna give you an opportunity, a challenge. I'll take you to a sneaker store, and if you can name a pair of shoes, any pair of shoes, I will buy it for you. All you have to do is just name it. We'll take you...
Shake on it then,
anywhere. Okay, yeah. Let's do it. Handshake, seal the deal.
You've seen this, because I'm going for the Red Octobers or something. If
so
you feel to the real store.
You feel confident?
50, Yeezy 350 Beluga. Then you have to buy it for me?
Okay. Alright.
That's how it works?
That's how it works.
Alright then, I'm gonna clean you out.
So with unfounded confidence in his step, we headed to the biggest sneaker store in the UK. This is Kick Game, with almost 1 million subscribers on YouTube and some of the most exclusive sneakers that you can find. Let's head inside and see what they've got.
I'm ready.
Let's do it. But wait, Dylan's not the only one that can win a brand new pair of sneakers, because I'm going to be giving away this pair of Travis Scott Jordan 1s to one of you. Now to help me do that, I teamed up with the best sneaker trading card and streetwear marketplace, SNKRDUNK. It is hands down the best place to get 100% authentic product, and the app is super easy to use. You can easily buy and sell sneakers, get market data, and see what's trending. They have industry-leading authentication, which uses X-ray transmission equipment, allowing them to get an internal look at the pair of sneakers. The app has over 5 million users, which has massively benefited buyers and sellers in the US. Not only can buyers often find products cheaper than on other platforms, when you sell on SNKRDUNK, you don't get charged any transaction fees, which unlike other platforms, it can be super high. Now, of course, they also gave me a special offer for you guys. Use the link in the description to enter the giveaway for this pair of Travis Scott Jordan 1s, and you'll also get a coupon bundle for free shipping when you use the code Elliot at checkout. Guys, SNKRDUNK is a great platform and you can find some seriously great deals on there. Huge thank you to you guys who use my links when I have them. It helps out the channel massively. And thank you to SNKRDUNK for sponsoring today's video, but let's get back to it.
For an entire wall of Yeezys this side? This is gonna be near impossible.
Don't look up. You got the labels underneath.
You're kidding.
Don't. Alright, we're not gonna put that one in. We're gonna browse the shelves, see if we can gauge what Dylan likes.
It's gonna say if there's a better colorway of these. I'm a big fan. I don't have a pair of whatever model this is.
380s?
Sakai's definitely on my bucket list, but I need a better colorway, preferably a more expensive colorway. Okay, I'm kind of looking for Travis Scott's, because those are going to be my target. These are Travis's, no?
Yeah, but those are kids. Hey, no,
yeah, but
I'm not looking underneath. Don't look at anything over there.
So we found the vault. That's the side that we want to actually be looking at.
That side doesn't exist. While he's not listening. These ones are Trophy Room Jordan 1, and they're worth about 4K. So if he went for those, that would empty my bank account. Look at him over there. Look at him. Trying to listen to a little punk ass. You stick over with a GS Jordan. These are probably 5 or 6K. We got the Cause 4s over here. That's probably about maybe 5K.
There's some over here which I very much like. Probably one of my dream sneakers.
Oh yeah, which one's that?
Oh, ones?
Snap.
But they're not. They wouldn't be that expensive, would they?
Yeah, they would. So how much are these?
I know, 14.99, 15 grand.
15. That's not too bad.
Okay, buy them then.
No, but like I thought these would be 30 or 40K. Surely this is a pair that you don't want to sell.
And everything's for sale, but
For the right price.
These were ahead of their time. Would these crumble, you reckon?
I don't think so. They've been kept in decent condition.
And what do these go for?
15 grand as well, yeah.
15. Solar red.
What are those ones, price-wise?
7.5.
I think this is my favorite one. So which one's your favorite so far? Red Octobers or?
I mean the mags probably for sure.
Oh no way! Is this the Air Forces?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a crazy one. Wait, so how much are these?
They are 7.8.
These are the Louis Vuitton Air Forces. These I have never seen. Probably the best colorway.
Are they off-white as well?
So now we know what's available, here's the rules for the challenge. I will choose 5 pairs of sneakers for him to name, ranging from I could buy him those to this would destroy my bank account. All he has to do is say the full name of the sneaker and the colorway in 30 seconds. So Dylan's gonna sit down over here in the middle. I'm gonna go and pick out 5 pairs of shoes. Let's see if he can guess them. First pick, let's just go for something that's just incredibly expensive. Now, this is a risky one because it's so popular. I feel like he might be able to actually know the name. This is the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Olive. That's first pick. All right, second pick is gonna be these over here. I've got no idea how much they cost, but we're gonna find out. That is the second pick. Let's go for SB's. Next pick, this one. So we've got 3 pairs so far.
Should I be scared?
I don't know if you'll get any of them, to be honest. How about we go with these? One more pick, and I think we go for a pair of Dunks. Final pick, we're going these. But if he calls them what I think he's gonna call them, that's wrong, all right? These are technically not called the pandas. I don't want to say it too loud. But if he gets this one wrong, that's going to be an easy loss. All right, bud, I have picked out all 5 pairs. It is time to take some L's.
I'm fairly confident. I've just been researching on my phone the entire time, every second.
No, you haven't. Kidding. You better not
I promise, I promise.
Bruh, okay, well, if he gets some of them right, we know you
I got
cheated.
5 right. Blindfold myself. Me to where I need to be, Manuel.
So we know, I know you like Yeezys, so... And remember, you can't look underneath it. You just have to look at the shoe and tell me what it is. Here you go.
Can I have it in my hands?
You can have it in your hands.
What does it feel like, Travis?
I already know this is a pair of 700s. I've got you. I've got you. All right, let me reveal. I think I know these.
But 30 seconds starting now.
These are the Yeezy 700s. I think I already know. They're blue inertias. Are they?
Final answer?
Well, I saw sadness in his eyes. I'm going with it. I'm going with it. Blue inertia.
Blue inertia.
So Yeezy 700. Oh, V3.
It has to be the exact
V3
name.
blue inertia.
You're way off. Okay, do you already have a pair of V3s? And you should know that. This is the Yeezy 700 V2 Hospital Blue.
Are these the inertias?
That's the inertia.
Okay, look. Now in my defense, this is a scam artist right here. He knew that I would get it wrong. Wait, let me hold on to something.
Hold my shoulder. Straight, straight, straight. You've got 30 seconds.
Wait, from the moment I take my hoodie off.
The moment you take your hoodie
Okay.
off. So,
Let me have a good time feeling it. All right, so these are lows. These are dunks.
3, 2, 1, boom. Timer's on.
These are the Nike Dunk Pandas.
Final answer.
We got him.
But
Oh, I knew you were gonna say that. This is the Nike Dunk Low black and white. Lost out on how much are these?
this guy is a scammer.
Oh,
This
one
guy is a
okay.
scammer. If I get that right, do I only get one shoe that I get right? So if I got that right,
Yeah, you only get one shoe. So to
hey,
be
I'm
honest,
glad. I'm glad about it.
it.
Damn, those are quite nice. Wouldn't mind if I copped me some of these.
So we're going over to this side.
I have a good feeling about this one.
These are 500, so we better not guess these.
This is my Christmas present.
Okay, this is a big one because this is probably the most popular shoe of the year. And
Year?
yeah,
These feel like.
so you should know it. 30 seconds on the clock.
Oh, you have these as well. Okay, well I know that they're Jordan 4s. I'm just gonna go standard green and white. Green slash white, because that's the only thing I've got.
Thumbs up. Wrong. Man, you're losing options. This is the pine greens, and I didn't think you would get the SB part either. So this is the Jordan 4 SB pine green. But you got two more shots.
Gonna get that.
You got two more shots.
So he brought me in to play the hardest game on the planet.
Might be happy that you took all of these L's because next up we're headed to the Grail corner. So this stuff is so exclusive, we have to go downstairs. We need a price on these.
I was getting all of those wrong on purpose so that I could get this right. Just so you know.
Oh, bud, I need gloves for these.
Oh, no.
Well, we got the little box here to hide it up. Just no looking at the label, bud. They're 5K. 5K, and if you guess this right, if you get the exact name, I will buy them for you. Okay?
Okay. Are they my size?
That's a good point. I don't know.
we can figure
you
that out.
can just flip them and
we
then
can figure it out.
Okay, cool. We've got to get the colorway as well. This is an all-time grail. In fact, I've never even seen these things in person before. So
okay, they're Nikes. Let's just start
wait,
with
you
that.
don't even know what they
I don't know what they are.
What? Damn.
Am I supposed to know?
Okay, well this is gonna be an easy.
God, 5K on the line, and I don't know.
I can give you a.
Okay.
I can help you out on this one. These are Yeezys, bro.
Are they?
This is the Nike Yeezy.
Okay, Nike Yeezy.
All you gotta get is the colorway.
I know that there is a red October, so maybe this is like a pink September. I mean, I don't know, so I'm gonna go an educated guess from looking at them.
I'm getting nervous right now.
I'm gonna go the pink, the beige. He laughed, so it's not the beige. Okay.
Hey, where's the 30 seconds on this? So our time's running out. Give us a countdown.
The pink dream.
Final answer?
4, 3.
Pink peace, because I got a peace sign. I panicked.
All you had to say was 10. That's it. 10. The overwhelming color on this shoe. I gave you the name. All you had to say was 10.
It's Nike Yeezy 10.
Nike Air Yeezy 10.
I feel like they might be a Travis sneaker. And if they are, I'm putting them straight on toe. I'm walking out the store with them.
Okay, so we do have your size, just to confirm. Okay,
All right.
so if you get this right,
Okay.
you're walking home in these things, okay?
I already know that there's some out there called the olives. There's some out there called the olives.
Not these ones.
Okay, I've got to gauge his face.
No, but there's
Yeezy
one
Cactus
thing. There's
Jack.
one thing about this which will make it hard. Okay.
These are the olives. These are the olives.
Okay, but
Okay.
I might catch you out on a technicality here, so tread carefully. All right, timer started.
Are they SB?
Timer is started.
Air. Okay, so
The full name.
Nike, Travis Scott, the Nike Travis Scott SB. No, I'm not going SB. I'm going Lowe's Olive colorway.
So final answer is Nike.
What I just said.
Nike Travis Scott Lowe's.
Nike Travis Scott Low Olive. I don't know whether to throw SB
30
in there.
seconds is up, bud.
Okay,
Nike,
I-
so it's a. How did you not get this one, bro?
I didn't? Did the SB?
No. This is a Jordan 1. Jordan 1 Low.
No.
Travis Scott Olive.
Oh my god. And that is
So-
honestly a pair that I would wear as well.
You would wear these?
Oh, I'd wear those.
You took a massive L today. Put the total on the screen of how much money you missed
We
out
don't
on.
need to go through all of that.
We came here to buy you a pair of shoes, and it feels a little bit weird just leaving empty-handed. I'm gonna give you a minute. I'm gonna time you, and you can choose whatever sneaker you want. Now, again, provided you have to name it, and it cannot be any of the 5 that we already went through. Okay,
that's fair enough.
Except for the Air Max, you're not allowed to go to those, right? We already looked at those today. 3, 2, 1. 1 minute. Okay. He always loves his Yeezys. I know he loves his Yeezys.
I've got to go for something else. I've got to go for okay. Oh, I don't know what those are called, but I want those. Come here. How much time have I got?
30 seconds.
Oh, I don't know what these. The Nike SBs gray white. No, no. Is that what it's called?
No.
Okay, oh, you're wasting my time.
that's
You're wasting my
too
time.
tough. Yeah, you got it.
Let me go.
20
How much
seconds.
time have I got? I don't know any of these. Where are the Travis Scotts?
I'll give you.
the Nike Prestos.
No, you run out of time.
I had 2 seconds on the
And
clock.
that's wrong. They're off whites.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
All right, I'm gonna extend it. Bro, you're getting too many.
Okay, no, I'm going for what I know.
I'm doing everything.
All
Okay,
right, come back.
You've
I'm
got,
going
you've
for what
got
I
30
know.
more seconds from now.
There's so many of these.
All right, you've got 20 seconds.
I'm going for
20 seconds.
Yeezy Sand. No. 10. 10.
Tens.
The
10 seconds.
Yeezy Bone.
Yeah,
The Yeezy Bone.
Okay, we'll give it to him. We'll give it.
Is
to
it
him.
right?
Wait, I think. Yeah. All right.
See these boys. We got. I mean, look, it was a lot of money on the line. I'm not gonna
pretty
lie.
sure you were 5 seconds
But-
over, but you have taken so many L's today. I'm just gonna get it for you.
I mean, I'm obviously gonna wear them, and there was a lot more money on the line. I'm a little bit disappointed with my performance today. I will say that, but at least we're walking away with something and not empty-handed.
And I'm pretty much giving it to you because you were a couple seconds over. I'm pretty sure. We'll look back at the footage, but I'm pretty sure you said bone after.
10.
Hence.
The
10 seconds.
Yeezy
Yeah,
Bone. The Yeezy Bone.
Okay, we'll give it to him.
Just to let you know, no returns, and you've got 2 weeks exchange for store credit. That's going to be 150 when you're ready.
Perfect.
Alright. Hey, it's a lot easier than it could have been. That could have been a lot worse.
Oh, let's get out of here with my pickup
Thank
purely
you so much,
on
man.
merit and knowledge alone. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Yep.
How does it feel, bruh?
I'm a champion.
How does it feel?
I'm a champion.
Man, I was hoping we would walk out with Air Yeezys today, but oh well.